they keep saying something called ute kamo. So that means I humbly accept. So, you know, गिर गया, fracture हो गया, ute kamo. Like, okay, I humbly accept. अब हो तो गया है ना. It is what it is. So the moment that realization comes that this has happened, there's no denying this, then you can go backwards. And by the way, the 5 stages are cyclical. They come and go. There is a time when, you know, it's like grief is like sitting at the edge of the ocean. That, you know, the waves will come like a tide sometimes, and sometimes they be placid. But yes, acceptance in the first 5-10 hours gives you the way forward. कि अब मुझे क्या करना है, and what all do I have
You
to
move
do?
on,
Yes,
and in the
yes.
sense like, okay, it's happened, but I
Yes.
need to still go
Yes.
on. So yeah. Shakuntala ji, was there a part while writing the book that you just kind of got overwhelmed? You just couldn't do it anymore. You just couldn't relive it, or you just didn't want to? Or was it easy for you to pen that down?
Yeah, it was tough because I got to meet so many of them who told me his other, qualities which I was not aware of, and so that way I got to know him better, and they spent most
What
of
was
their
one
time.
thing that you didn't know of which you got to know?
I mean, not generally I know him very well, but the anecdotes which his cosmates and
His pattern would always
troops,
have some story.
say.
Yeah.
So I mean, he was quietly the person I loved. So nothing much to say.
Okay, that's nice. Gitika, was there anything that you found out, you know, from his Paltan, from his friends, something that you may not have known about, sir?
Not really. I think we were best friends, so conversation was the, you know, hallmark of our relationship. So there weren't many, I mean, all through, because we spoke so much and we had a long courtship. Even his bachpan anecdotes I knew a whole lot. And since I was very good friends with all his good friends, in fact, they used to say, Gitika even talks like Lucky. She's always looking for validation. Kuch bolti hai and she looks towards him. So, you know, I mean, I've grown up to him. So I really don't think there was any anecdote that, yeah, what he kept away from me were the operations and the stuff what happened in Frisell, and that, I mean, or whatever, those incidents one didn't know, and they would quietly refer to it when they were talking in the Paltan. But I do believe that he had tremendous amounts of operations to his credits and maximum number of kills in a particular, you know, a tenure of the unit, which is what I don't know.
Yeah, that's great. So if I were to ask both of you, you know, to give a message to our young girls, since most of our audience is young girls today, on love, life and relationships. Because, you know, relationships are so skewed in the world today, and love, like when I have 2 teenage girls and, you know, they turn around and say that, you know, love doesn't exist. And I said, it's because you haven't found the right person yet. Love does exist, you know, and it is there multifold. So if you were to tell them to trust in relationships and life and love, what would both your messages be for them?
I would just say that love is a very wholesome feeling, and it just, the more you give, the more you get. To be very
So be more giving in your relationships. Okay, thank you.
Love is something, if you love truly, and that's a Sadhguru quote, that only those who have loved immensely and truly, honestly, truly, whichever is the adjectives he's used, are able to accept the loss of a loved one gracefully. So love gives strength, love only gives the grace, love gives the way forward. And it is forever. There is no loss of love. There is only loss of life. You will never lose love. And love gives you the way forward, and it is like the guiding light. I do believe in love, in spite of anything that anyone may say. Today is the age of marital discord, and, you know, 3 महीने शादी नहीं होती और लोग divorce की बात करते हैं. But when you find it, you know it. It's like the season. मौसम जब बदलता है, तब एकदम से बदल जाता है. And suddenly, you realize that you're in love.
You make it sound so dreamy and so full of life. You know, it's like you want to fall in love all over again. So can we please have a big round of applause? But before we conclude, I do want to say for both of you, Shakuntala ji and Gitika, you know, as army wives, you carry the weight of so much sacrifice with grace. You move often, you shift homes, you lose friends, family, and you do it all with a smile. And you do it all for me, for the audience, for the 1.4 billion people that are there in this country. And no matter how many times people say thank you, it will never be enough, because I think that there is your men, of course, as well as all the men in the armed forces. It's because of them that we sleep well at night. It's because of them that our children are safe. So I'd love for everybody to please give a big, big round of applause to both Deepika and Shakuntala for being here with us today. Do we have any questions? Yes.
Can we get a mic to the lady?
Madam Bhandarkar, Namaskar, Madam Marwa, Madam Litter, Namaskar, Madam Bhandarkar. It has been quite a long time that I've been following, especially Madam Litter, ever since I've come across the book, and even prior to the same, and even Madam Bhandarkar. I tell you, everybody, we always find them with smiling faces, always. That's the spirit they carry forward. Moreover, the question, there is a request to Madam Litter. Madam, you're so good at speaking, you're so good at writing. It's a personal request. If you could write more, enlighten us more with the way you live, which is the Litter way, everybody.
I love the way you said that, the Litter way.
Hannah, it is truly inspiring. We too look forward to life in the similar manner. However, the question is to Madam Bhandarkar. Madam, there is this award that you've launched, right? Lieutenant Colonel Ajit Bhandarkar Memorial Award, right? You mentioned that you are looking forward to children who are brave hearts, right? Since I've been working...
Not brave hearts, they have all the qualities of the brave hearts.
Right. So since I've been working with children and women and people, particularly people, animal biodiversity for a very long time now, ma'am, what are the particularly qualities that you seek in these children to have, to give them this award?
Basically, they should be humane. To put it in a simple one-word sentence, they should be humane, kind, empathetic. These are the qualities, and especially being an army officer, the leadership skills and team spirit, which they hone right from the time they join NDA and IME and wherever they go.
Also, one more thing, while we choose the child in the school, the first point of interaction, as you said, is the principal itself, right? Moreover, apart from the principal, it is the teachers,
Yes.
the friends in the school,
Yeah.
the parents.
Yeah.
They're the one who knows,
Yeah.
who know the children better.
Yeah. I think we can have this conversation one-on-one, because I don't want to keep the children waiting. They've been here for quite some time, and it's going to be 3 o'clock, ma'am. I hope it's fine. I'll talk to you now.
Only a mother
Okay.
can understand that there are children sitting and it's time
Yeah,
for lunch.
even
Really, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. Both of you are living embodiments of the fact that the question isn't who's going to let me, it is who's going to stop me. True women of substance, both of you haven't let adversity define you, but have used it to fuel your determination and move forward. मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं नारी हूँ, मैं कली हूँ, मैं फुलवारी हूँ, मैं दर्शन हूँ, मैं दर्पण हूँ, मैं नाद हूँ, मैं गर्जन हूँ, मैं बेटी हूँ, मैं माता हूँ, मैं बलिदानों की गाथा हूँ. Can we have a round of applause for our panelists? May I request Harish Sanwal, senior journalist, to please come on the stage and felicitate our panelists and moderator with a memento.
NCC Club, ready up. NCC Club, ready up. NCC Club, ready up.
And I would like to give a copy of my book to Geetika. Please accept it.
Thank